Morning. So right now it's actually Sunday, right? I'm actually preparing dinner. I'm gonna do some quick, easy. Come here, video for go edit. So I'm gonna have time. Okay? I'm gonna do a quick brown stew chicken rice. Something simple. Boom bam. So and then I have to go wash myself clean and all these things. So that never okay? So now watch me as I prepare my chicken. I'm done top, so I'm just showing up how it look, okay? Okay. Okay? Yeah. The chicken, I wash it and I clean it, so I'm going to just add some seasoning to it now. So yes, my chicken, my leg, I love leg and I love my wing. Okay, so I asked him to buy some things. So I got some onion washed, tomato washed, pepper, pimento, scallion, sweet pepper, thyme. I have to wash everything. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them up now, okay? Drain it out in the sink. Guys, I can't do this with one hand, so I have to drain it out and get back to y'all, okay? Okay.
Hey guys, is Angel here, Petagaye sister, and I'm doing the voiceover. So right now she's just adding some curry to the meat, to get that little flavor she wants. And as you can see, the black thing is like pimento seed. So yeah, I say that shots, and now that's the black pepper, and she just like add it to the whatever the meat or whatever. She just add everything. So may I tell you about her? So now she just add. Pretty much she just add some stuffs. What's that? I don't know what's that name, but I think it's chicken season. Forgive me. I think a chicken and all purpose season. I don't know. Because when it's in the bag like that, I can't really tell. So now she's just adding season, as I said, and very self-explanatory, if I'm saying that word good, but just continue watching. Yeah, so now she's going with her and I don't know if you guys use her and to mix in your season, but we Jamaican, we do it. So yeah, use her and just mix in the flavor in the chicken, because when that cook you want to taste it, right? Tell me if you don't want to taste that. So now guys, she's showing the season that she's about to add to the chicken. She just add the season and all that. Yep. All that. Come on, girl, mix it now. Now she's mixing and all that. We Jamaican, we use our hands to mix our meat. Sometimes it depends. If you are the type of girl who wear long nails, baby, use a spoon. I don't know what's in those nails, but as long as your fingernails short and nice, yep. So she just mixed in the season, all that. So she just mix in the flavor and the chicken, because when you're the chicken, you want it to have a look at the flavor. You get me? And now she's just rinsing off her and all the curry and everything. You guys, when you're cooking, you must practice like proper hygiene, cleaning and all that, because you want your area to look clean and nice and shiny. You're looking about food. Okay? So let's make sure y'all taking in. So guys, remember to go over to my channel and subscribe. Okay, life as Angel. Now she's just lighting the fire, getting the pot heated and all.
So guys, so I have some oil in the pot under a low fire. So I'm gonna just put some garlic in the oil. Then I add in the curry, okay? Guys, I'm gonna season my rice. So
Everyone cook, man.
I'm gonna season rice. I want to use some cocktail mix for the flavor, and I also add thyme, scallion and butter, and add some salt in there. So it will pop bubbling.
Everyone cook.
Put in some of this, okay?
So you'll be putting in the cotton wood.
So I add some of it. So I'm gonna mix it, and just leave it to boil a bit. Then I wash And you pick the rice and then so this is 1 pound of rice. I might add maybe half more pound. So yeah. Let me fix your this. So I'm gonna put the rice and get back to y'all, okay? Guys, you guys wanna smell this? Me, the listener. I'm make curry chicken for Jamaica, you know. Me and my East Indian mango. Again, while my food is cooking, you know. So yeah, now eat mango. And shall I export one video? By now, you must subscribe to Chin by now.
You like it, but make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do my ears singing. By the way, guys, all the quarantine is still I always ask them that though.
What do I?
You think I always ask all the quarantine and then?
Yeah, I'll ask them on your side.
The accent on this stuff. Guys, make sure to not exercise and not do the do. You know? Because when this over, and someone will go do stuff.
Just roll it on me. Alright. Guys, get yourself an East Indian mango. Or maybe an East Indian or Indian man.
You know what I'm saying, no? Please and something. Please and oh, yeah.
So yeah. So guys, this is the rice. I just add the rice in the pot. Just mix it up and cover it now, okay? So yeah, finish. Sorry guys. So yeah. You know, this will take long to cook, but I just say
take a year. I'm hungry, mom.
Sorry guys, I didn't make end the vlog. I'm not allowed for milk stacking food. It's not done. You see a better one. Anyway, so someone has come on this to end today's vlog. I didn't really do anything, as you guys can see. But just wash the plate then and cook. That's it.
Food is bad.
Thank you. I'm always cooking for Jamaica. So
you always cooking for Jamaica?
Yeah. So where Petagaye get Incha from? Oh, Incha looks so good on all them something. You know,
got good body change.
Yes, guys. I tuned them.
Background.
I tuned them intro. So if you guys want a YouTube intro and outro and maybe banner soon, we can link it, okay?
I look crazy now. I look foggy.
We can link on our Instagram. I said Chin.
And your girl Chin.
And you guys start business from there, okay?
Yes, and come subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel. No, our name already. I want to wait on. Get her to 1,000, guys. Get her to 1,000, okay?
At least 500.
1,000. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you, as per usual, today after tomorrow. So, you know, so like what I post today. Just go on Chin channel and watch for tomorrow, okay? Adios.
Adios, amigos.
Okay.